When it comes to getting guardianship, some parents hire lawyers, some do it on their own. But before I tell you about why, I want to make it clear that I'm not trying to persuade you one way or another, and there's no self-interest here. You can't hire my firm to represent you in a guardianship case. We only help people through our guardianship workshop or through legal aid. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, overall, the parents that I know who hired a lawyer to get guardianship were a lot like Eileen. She felt strongly about wanting things done right and having the peace of mind that guardianship for her daughter Heather was ironclad. But she wished that if she could have gotten the same peace of mind without having to pay for an expensive law firm, she might have. The parents who didn't hire a lawyer were a lot like Ed and Lisa. They wanted to save money on legal fees when getting guardianship for their daughter, but like the other parents I know who didn't hire an attorney, Ed and Lisa experienced much more anxiety about the process than parents who hired attorneys. Every parent I spoke with said that if they had an option to work with a lawyer but at a lower cost, they probably would have done so. So an in-between solution, like a training class similar to the one that we offer here at Guardian Project, could be a good solution for many people. With that option, you do a lot of the work on your own with the guidance of an expert, but you save a bundle by doing so. The truth is, filing for guardianship isn't so difficult that a non-lawyer couldn't do it themselves, but it's difficult enough to make the process overwhelming, and it's fraught with pitfalls if you don't have guidance. There's nothing wrong with going about filing on your own, but just make sure that you have an experienced person you can rely on for advice if you get confused anywhere along the process. So one more thing. Why don't you scroll down below and let me know whether you think that you'll be filing for guardianship on your own, whether you'll be looking for a workshop similar to Guardian Project, or if you'll be hiring a lawyer.